Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful holiday Christmas season, and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm really excited to be sharing a Pandora jewelry box unboxing. Not only one, but two beautiful new Pandora jewelry boxes in my collection. I'm so excited to share these with you. Both of these are from my trip to New York City with Pandora, which honestly was just such a crazy dream come true. If you haven't had a chance to see my Pandora vlog, I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find that video, but I got to go visit the Pandora New York City headquarters. It was like a collector's retreat. It was just so, oh my gosh, so amazing. So a huge thank you again to Pandora, but also a huge thank you to each and every one of you. I never would have had that opportunity without you, so thank you so much. So these are two special pieces that I picked up from that trip. This was actually a little small jewelry box, was a gift from Pandora when I got into my hotel room, so it's extra special. And then this jewelry box is extra special for me because it's a little bit of a replacement item. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram at Fashion Storyteller, you will know that, oh my gosh, there was water damage and there was flooding, and a lot of my belongings got water damaged, including a lot of my Pandora jewelry boxes in general, and a bunch of other things. So I have a very special Pandora jewelry box that you might remember. I filmed that video a couple years back. I'll leave a link above the screen on where you can find that video. It kind of survived, but it's pretty badly damaged. Like, the leather detailing on it doesn't feel the same. It has a funky smell, but overall, compared to some of the other jewelry boxes, it's not too bad. So I'm hoping I can kind of fix it up just a little bit. But this will serve as a little bit of a replacement item for that, but also as some other of the jewelry boxes that were damaged that I can't replace. A lot of the Pandora jewelry boxes were limited edition, so they're hard to replace. So when I saw this, I just felt like this is meant to be. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be sharing basically with this little chit chat intro an unboxing of both of these beautiful jewelry boxes and an overview of how they work, what you can store inside of them. So without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. Virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. The large jewelry box from Pandora is so beautiful. As soon as I saw it in the Soho Pandora shop in New York City, I knew I had to get it. It is pink, it is beautiful, and I was so excited to finally unbox it. You guys, I've literally had this since November, and I've been waiting to unbox it so I could film it with you guys. So I'm so excited to see it in real life. It looks just lovely. Now, in case you're curious about it, it retails for $125 US. It is made of this beautiful pink leather material, which is called a textured PU exterior, which you're seeing here as I unwrap it. It's a really nice shade of pink, almost like a soft pink, but not quite. It has a little kind of peachy kind of pink to it. It is so lovely. The inside, as you're seeing here, is this beautiful velvet lined, like gray soft material. And it has a ton of different compartments inside. And there's actually 2 layers to it. So you can lift this one layer up and then head into the next layer. But let's start off with this layer and see what is inside. You have places to store your earrings. You have places to store your rings if you want. You can even store earrings on the ring side as well. And then here in the center, there's this beautiful little necklace display where you can store a couple of your Pandora necklaces, maybe 1 or 2, or even earrings up at the top, depending on what you want to do. You also technically could hide a bracelet underneath the little necklace compartment too, which I think is awesome. I love this. It's going to display the jewelry so beautifully. The back and the sides are all plain in that pink PU textured material. Now the next layer, we can see there's a spot for a bracelet, another necklace or 2, maybe some rings or some earrings or some charms in the one compartment. And you can also see on the far left, there is a charm bar where you can add some of your Pandora charms in here. The ones that you're not currently wearing on your bracelet or on your O pendant, and ones that maybe you want to kind of style with mini designs, things like that. Now this layer also lifts up, so you may want this layer on the top of your jewelry box, so you can do that instead of having the other layer on the top. This could go on top. You can display them outside, and I love that this lifts up. Now, one sad thing that I noticed when I went to pick up the bottom layer, necklace layer, as you can see the ribbon, it came right off, and I was so sad. Now, I'm pretty sure I can glue this back on, but for $125 US and just finally opening it, and this happening, I was a little bit disappointed. I'm not sure what happened there, But yeah, it was a little like, oh my gosh, like, and I didn't, if you guys can see, I just literally lifted it up just like as anyone would pulling it out. So a little bit disappointing there, but an easy thing for me to fix. However, if I was closer to the Pandora store, they don't sell these. As far as I know, they don't sell these in Canada at the local store. At least I haven't seen it, but if you have, please let me know. I could potentially get a replacement. Now here's a quick look at the charm bar. What's cool about the little ends, they're made with silicone. So unlike stackers, they don't screw on, they just kind of pop on and pop off. And then here is a look at the bottom of the jewelry box in that beautiful velvet material again. I'm going to add the bottom layer back inside, and it's pretty easy to slide this in. It comes out fairly easily. You do need to kind of pull just a little bit to get it out, and then but it's easy enough to kind of push them back in. I almost wish there was like a little like handle on each side to pull up from the sides. I feel like that would be really helpful because you do need to kind of pull just gently. I decided to go back and check the earrings with the ribbon because I hadn't pulled those out. They seem to be fine. The ribbon is secure and not falling off. And I love that they have these. I've been debating about getting ones for my stackers jewelry boxes. So it was really lovely to see this included because I have acquired quite a lot of Pandora earrings in my collection, especially stud earrings. Like I used to love really big statement earrings, but like so far in my late 20s, early 30s, I have just been loving stud style earrings. So I love they included this. Now, it also comes with a mirror, as you can see right here. And I realized that I had left the plastic on, so I decided to pull it off so we could take a nice look at the mirror together. I love that they included this too. It's just nice to see like, you know, your jewelry kind of reflected back. And then as I was closing it up, I wanted to check out the bottom of the jewelry box. When I realized, I don't know if you guys can see it just yet, but I'll point it out in just a minute. There's a small little dent on the top. And I just unboxed this and I was kind of sad to see that as well. So I am going to say if you are grabbing this in your store, maybe ask them to unbox it for you so you can take a look. Angie, my friend, actually, I had another jewelry box that got water damage. She said, she reminded me that my little Ella, my dog that passed away, had like nibbled on one of my jewelry boxes. And I'm like, well, maybe that little dent is from her. So that kind of makes my heart smile. So I love that. But anyway, as you can see, I'm opening up the other Pandora jewelry box. This is gorgeous. It was custom engraved for me with my name, and I just love pink and gold. And as you can see, it kind of echoes the details of the other larger jewelry box, but it also has its own beautiful details as well, including the 3 golden charm bars. And they don't screw on the little end caps. They just kind of pop on with like a silicone grip. There's places to store your rings, a couple of charms in the center, perhaps your Pandora O pendant. And I just love how this looks. It is so pretty. It also has that beautiful soft velvet material. It feels really nice and soft and very protective of the jewelry. I'm technically getting a second one of these from the Pandora 12 Days of Pandora Advent Calendar, and I think I want to use each one for a specific theme from my Pandora collection, maybe celestial, winter, I'm not sure yet. Any ideas? I'm just going to pop out one of the charm bars so you guys can take a look at how it works. So as you can see, the end cap just pops on and off with that little silicone grip, and it's beautifully stored inside your box. I love having this. I definitely feel like I might go with like a specific theme for this jewelry box. It also has its own mirror, but unlike the larger one, the mirror pops off and reveals the little Pandora logo on the back of it as well as on the mirror. And I love that the mirror pops out in case, like if you're traveling and using this for travel, it's so awesome to have a little makeup mirror on hand. You also can store maybe a little small thing in there too, which is really nice. Now on the bottom layer, it has a necklace holder as you saw, and another spot to add your Pandora Moments charm bracelet or a couple other bracelets from Pandora as well. It has this beautiful zipper detail that's gold. And it also has a little dangling Pandora logo on it, and of course the Pandora logo at the front. So here's a look at the large and the small jewelry box together. There is also a medium version that I'll link down below, but I am loving these. I'm so excited to fill them up. And that is it for today's unboxing of these beautiful new Pandora jewelry boxes. I would love to know if you guys have either of these in your collection. How do you like to use them? What do you store inside here? Please let me know down below. If you do have any questions about the jewelry boxes or anything that I forgot to mention or chat about, let me know too. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. If you are interested in learning more about these jewelry boxes, I will have links down below in the description bar of this video. Some of those links may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day, a joyful holiday, Christmas season, happy almost New Year or Happy New Year, depending on when you're watching this. And goodbye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.